Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we've got stage 12 of Model Space's Build Your Own Ford GT40. So stage 12, we're starting on the other door. Let me show you the parts we get. Because here we are, here is the part for the door. And in this part, we only get the actual metal part for the door and the little light bit that goes on the outside, the little reflector piece that goes here. And we just have to screw this piece onto here today with some FP02 screws, which back in pack 2, I believe it was, we did get this when we done the other door, and we got the whole of the door in one pack. Now, this is now being stretched over 4 packs, I believe, 4 stages. So, yeah, it's a bit disappointing that we don't get to do the whole door in one stage, but I suppose it's a part work, you got to put up with it. It would have been nice just to build the door the same as what we did this one, but now we've got to do it over 4 stages again. Yeah, so it should be another really quick video, this one. So yeah, let's just get the parts open and start building. So we have the parts at the packaging, and just like our other door, the paint finish on the actual paintwork for the outside is really, really nice. Spectacular paintwork on there. Really loving the blues and the oranges on here. And yeah, we get half of the number 6 and obviously the Golf sponsor on there. The only other thing we get in this pack is this little tiny piece here, which goes on the side here, just where this little key notch is. That's where that's going to be going. So we're going to put this on in a moment. And the only thing we get is 2 FP02 screws. So we're going to cut these open and we're going to get one on. So I've got my screwdriver, got my FP02 screw on, and as I said before, now we can line this up. This does have a key notch on there, and we can basically just plug that into there, just like that, and putting our finger on top, turning it over, there's our screw point just there. So we can take the FP02 screw and we can start securing this in. Just like that. And that is all we have to do in stage 12. So yeah, there we go. That is stage 12 all complete. Another very, very quick video. A bit disappointed we don't get to do a bit more with the door. They're not, doesn't feel like we're getting to do a lot at the moment with the stages. So I know it does pick up, so we can persist and we will get to a point where we're building absolutely loads. So yeah, that is stage 12 complete. Join me next time when we do stage 13, and that is the last part of pack 4. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, please click the like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.